Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear learners? I think you all are well. Welcome to my class. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam, lecturer of mathematics, Can Public School and College, Saidpur. Today I will discuss about trigonometry. Trigonometry. Trigonometry has been derived from Greek letter tri means three, gon, that is gonia. This means its or angle. Trigon combinedly, this means three angles. Metron, that is metri, means measure. So trigonometry means the measure of three angles of a triangle. Now I will give definition. Trigonometric and geometrically, I will give the definition of angle. Geometric angle, this angle produced by intersection of two straight lines. Suppose at here AB and CD, these two are straight line. Here AB and CD, these two straight line intersect at this point O. So AOC, BOC, BOD and AOD, these four are angle. Or we can give definition when two ray, suppose here AO and BO, these two ray meet at a common point. Here the common point in point, this also in point, this in point meet at a common point here. So form, this is the angle here AOB angle. Geometric angle is restricted to lie between 0 degree and 360 degree. Trigonometric angle, this angle formed by a revolution of a ray about its endpoint in a plane. Suppose here OX be a ray. If the ray rotates anti-clockwise direction, here XOY, these kinds of angle will be positive angle. If the ray rotates clockwise direction, here XOZ, so these kinds of angle will be negative angle. Here XOY is positive angle, XOZ, this will be negative angle. An angle can be measured three systems of unit. An angle can be measured three systems of units. XI-XII unit or system. To circular unit, 3 centesimal unit. Sexagesimal unit, it's another name degree unit, A circular unit, this unit is radian. We know one right angle is equal to 90 degree. One degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This is the sexagesimal unit or degree unit. Now circular unit, this angle is expressed in radian system. What is radian angle? Radian or radian angle in any circle, the angle which an arc of a circle whose length is equal to the radius of a circle subtend at center is called radian or 1 radian. And it is denoted by 1 radian. Here AOB, this will be 1 radian if the length of radius OB is equal to length of arc AB. Here on condition, if the length of radius is equal to length of arc and the angle produced at the center. So this will be a radian angle. Centesimal unit, one right angle is equal to 100 centesimal degree. 1 centesimal degree is equal to 100 centesimal minute. 1 centesimal minute is equal to 100 centesimal degree. Now I will discuss some important formula, some important theory which is needed to prove some corollary or proposition. First, the ratio of circumference and diameter is a constant. This is equal to pi. We know pi is a irrational number. Ratio of circumference and diameter is a constant which is pi. Pi is an irrational number. The angle at the center is proportional to length of arc. 3. If the length of arc is divided by length of radius, then we get a centered angle. That is degree measure angle centered angle. This will be length of arc divided by length of radius. Now I will establish the relation between degree and radian. To establish the relation between degree and radian. Suppose here AOB be radian angle, here OC is perpendicular to OA. In figure here AOC, this is equal to 90 degree, and length of arc AC, this is equal to 1/4 of circumference, 1/4 the length of circumference. If the length of radius OA is equal to R, the length of circumference will be 2 pi r. So AC is equal to 1/4 2 pi r, pi r by 2. Here AOB, this is equal to 1 radian, and arc AB, this is equal to, will be the length of radius OA is equal to R. We know the angle at the center is proportional to the length of arc. Here angle at the center, suppose AOC is proportional to, is ratio will be is divided by the length of AC, arc AC, AOB arc AC. Now AOC, this is equal to 90 degree, and arc AC pi r by 2. AOB is 1 radian, and arc AB R. 90 degree 1 at 2 pi r, this is equal to 1 by r. For 180 degree pi r, if r and r come from both sides, then we get here 180 degree by pi, that is 1 by 1, or phi is equal to 180 degree. We can tell radian is a constant angle. Here AOB, this is a radian angle. Since here pi is equal to 180 degree, that is here pi degree is equal to 180 degree, or 1 radian, this will be 180 by pi. Pi is a constant, 180 degree this also constant, so 1 radian, that is radian, will be constant. With the help of this, I will solve one math. Exercise 6a. 1a, I will write this question first. Exercise 6a. The three angles of a triangle. The three angles of a triangle are in AP, that is arithmetic progression, and the greatest angle is expressed in radian, and the smallest angle in degree then the ratio of their values is pi ratio 90. Determine the measure of the angle in radian. The three angles of a triangle are in arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? I am giving example 3, 7, 11, 15, because the difference of first two terms is always same. 7 minus 3, we know this will be 4. 11 minus 7, this also 4. 15 minus 11, this also 4. So these kinds of progression or series will be arithmetic progression. Another one, 5, 10, 15, 20. This is arithmetic progression. If we write here this 3, so 10 minus, since here difference of two terms is 5, 10 minus 5, this will be 5, and 10 plus 5. See, suppose here a is equal to 10. A is equal to 10 and difference here 5. So if we express here a plus d, a minus d. Suppose the value of a is equal to 4, and difference here 5. 4 plus 5, 14. 14 minus 5. So 14 plus 5, this will be 19. 14 minus 5, this will be 9. So we are seeing 14 minus 9, this is equal to 5, and 19 minus 14, this also 5. So this is the arithmetic progression. So any kinds of arithmetic progression of 3 terms we can write a minus d, a, and a plus d, because we know a triangle have the 3 angles. So I'll write a smaller angle here AD, here middle angle A, and largest angle A plus D. Let the smallest angle be here A minus D, middle angle be A, and largest angle be A plus D. All are radian. We know the sum of 3 angle is equal to 180 or pi radian. So we can write the sum of A minus D plus A plus D is equal to pi, or thrice A is equal to pi, that is A pi by 3. If the unit of angle is not mentioned, it is considered the angle is radian. So this is the radian angle. Here, according to question, the greatest angle is expressed in radian and largest angle in degree. Here, the greatest angle expressed in radian and smallest angle in degree. Here, smallest angle is degree. So this smallest angle will convert to degree. The smallest angle here A minus D radian. We know pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian, this will be 180 by pi, and A minus D radian, this will be A minus D to 180 by pi. A minus D 180 degree by pi. This degree system. So I will write according to question. Here the greatest angle is expressed in radian. Here greatest angle A D, and smallest angle in degree, smallest angle here A minus D 180 by pi is equal to pi is to 90. A plus d divided by a minus d 180 by pi is equal to pi by 90, or a plus d pi a minus d 180 pi by 90. If we omit from both sides pi by 90, then we get a plus d a minus d multiplied to 1, or twice a minus 2d is equal to a plus d. Twice a this is equal to d plus twice d 3d. We know, we have already found a is equal to pi by 3d, therefore d is equal to pi by 9. So the smallest angle, this we know, a minus d, here a pi by 3 and d pi by 9, so 9 3 pi minus pi, this will be 2 pi by 9. Middle angle, since here a, so this will be pi by 3, and largest angle, this we know, a plus d, here a is equal to pi and d pi by 9, this will be 3 pi plus pi, 4 pi by 9. So this is the measure of angle in radian. 2 pi by 9 is the smallest angle, real angle here pi by 3, and largest angle 4 pi by 9. Thanks for watching my class.